this one's popped.
All of them are like that. Oh yeah. Yep.
Expect to find that.
Yep.
And the ones we're going to work on, that
I
clip
see.
should go down in there, and that should go back there. And it's holding this piece of glass in.
And then they glazed on top of
and
it.
then they glaze on top of it,
Right.
which is all gone.
Yep.
Starting to run into it.
Where's the clip?
You can't even see it yet, but it's in here. There we go, right there. There it is. See the wire here? End of my knife.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it out.
Awesome. Okay. Where? I know I do. Wow. Okay. So.
Yeah, that's why. See, I said it was 34 and a half.
Yeah.
The 16th over a half. 9/16. You get down there. You gotta go by 16ths. It's your 9/16. This is 9/16. So you gotta be able to relate in your head to what 9/16 really is. It's a 16th over a half, because 8/16 is 1/2. Well, I think I'm ready to use the old caulk gun. Can't do it from the inside. Yeah, you drill it from the outside, inside. Gotcha. I know what I'm doing.
I know
That's how
you
you
do.
hold it up there.
There you go. Oh, so you almost got it.
And it'd be great there.
34 and a half.
Yeah, I'm just saying my own thing.